Today we want to talk about IFS Delakufa Thermal Covers. IFS Delakufa Thermal Covers are made from a very strong and a high resistant material. Delakufa simply means die hard, dare die, courageous, fearless attitude, of which this product has proven it beyond any reasonable doubt. Delakufa thermal covers are capable of protecting machinery from excessive heat that can cause fire and can also as well prevent other nearby machinery from high temperatures. They are designed for industrial and domestic purposes. You can cover your tables, exhausts, silencers, you name it, all the hot surfaces on your machinery. Save the machinery from fire and damages. It is actually a cost saver. The name Delakufa says it all.
Join us again next time for another exciting episode of Fluidtrans Online Store.